Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add video in PowerPoint presentation. So first, just go to your PowerPoint and to your presentation. Go to Insert, and then you will see under it Video. And you can add the video from your device, from your files. So in here, just choose any photo or video rather, and then click Insert. And it will be inserted. Then you can also add from stock videos from Microsoft. So what you will do is just wait for the videos to load, and then just select any of those videos that you want to use and then click Insert. So wait for it to be downloaded, and then there you go, it's now inserted. So any videos that you add in the PowerPoint presentation, you can edit it, like resizing and positioning it properly in your presentation. And then I will just transfer to another page or slide, and then I'll go to Insert and Video, and then add online videos. So in here, what you will do, so just go to Google and search for any YouTube videos or any videos that you would like to use for your presentation. So in this case, I'm using YouTube, and then I'm choosing this video. Just copy the link of the YouTube video, right click and then copy, or you could select this share button below the video and wait for it to load. So in this case, I will just copy the link right here. So, and you can now paste it to the PowerPoint presentation. Just paste it here and then wait for the video to load and to check if it's correct. So it's correct, so I'll now insert it. And you will see it will download the video. So just wait for it to download completely and it will be inserted. So that's it. That's how you add a video in your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.